Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing Patreon October 2023 uh, STL files for D&D and Warhammer proxies, anime figure, video game figures, and so forth as well. If there's some ones that you like, please let me know down in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Yes, I am in a new location now, my new office. I'll be more videos on that tomorrow on Wednesday, but this is probably gonna be the permanent solution for me from going on now. I know I've been changing a whole bunch of locations for this. Used to be Ashley's art room. Now we're sharing it. So we'll start with Dens of Imagination. I think this is a Warhammer proxies. So I think this is mostly for Zinch's army. If you're interested in that, for there's some you have blue and pink horrors. They kind of look generic and cartoonish, but you can do it with actual cool looking monsters and demons and so forth for that as well. I think these will be pretty good ones just to make a little bit of a Zinch is like the chaos lord, demon lord of change. So change it up a bit and look pretty damn cool as you go as well. Or just look cool looking one for proxies for it. Next thing is Mayu's Forge. I don't think they have much out for it. I know September they got some models. These are for like house models and stuff. And they don't really show till like really, really late for these models as well. And they're really cheap as well. TPK Labs, that are D&D one. I think they have like some kind of a like got paid to look at it. I don't like paying to look at what miniatures coming out. This is September one that they have out for last year, but uh, sometimes it's good to have, sometimes it isn't. I don't see anything for October. I will probably see it towards the end of the month for it. Anime Girls STL file. For this one, I think we're doing Orihime. That's actually pretty good if it's Orihime. And I forgot. I think this might that's Discord. Orihime might be our main girl for it. If it looks good, I'll get it. A lot of times their models are hit or miss, majority of the time, but not all the time for it. So Athean Savage Studios, these are like old school like video games and anime. They bring back. So we got two black mages for it. Some of these characters I do not know. Cowboy Bebop. I think some of them are. I think that girl that does that dance with that kills a person music video. That might be Bond, but I don't think that's Bond. But yeah, these are the ones you'll get for it. Whole bunch of previews. But if you know any of these models' name, oh, that's Queen from Persona 5. Yeah, Black Mage. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. Arcane Workshop, another D&D style as well. I don't usually get the whole thing for it. So we'll have a Scarecrow, Great Wraith, a bonus, a Pumpkin, which has freaking weird feet. Well, let's make vines as his feet. Looks like actual like viney fish. There is the Sorcerer's Cast or a Tabaxi and a Wyvern of the Lake for it. Next one is the Domo. This is another Warhammer proxy. Sometimes they bring stuff out, sometimes they don't. A lot of time, because last time we had this one that we got. Uh, so far, nothing. For a lot of time, the Patreon people have has an actual job. This is like their second job, just trying to make some ends meet. But yeah, October is some naked vampire lady, Queen of the Dam, Akasha, 70mm base, and this is the diorama one for it. So a giant, looks like a nymph or a dryad, and there's a goblin on a mech. So this is a pretty good print to have, just for like a one-shot campaign for it. we'll see. Next one we have SwanNet 3D. Usually that stuff they don't show till end of the month. I stopped kind of getting them because everything got too expensive. So this is the September one for it. Actually, September one's not that bad. May want to get it for September. These are the skull bones and everything else. But you need a giant printer for those. I'll tell you that right now. Daybreak Miniatures. This is October release. It looks like we got dwarves. We got a lot of dwarves for it. So catapult, dwarves, basilisk, um, ballast, I believe it's called. A dwarf on a half dwarf, half horse. So a dwarvitar, I guess. Dwarf on a ram. Ballista. So yeah, there you go. The ballista, catapult. Dwarf. These are better looking dwarves, I'll say. These are like wild dwarves. The undead dwarf right here with a bunch of shit. I don't mind getting this one. This one probably good to have for it, but I don't like that half dwarf, half horse deal for them. It just looks weird and have them out of place in a lot of places that I don't really understand for it. But we'll see. If you guys are interested, let me know now in the comments. Next one is Miniature Blueprint, another D&D one. October release. We're getting a couple undeads, Chantress. Looks like a Lady Death. Mementos, Author of Death. Undead Pumpkins. Vicarage Grave Robber. Graveyard Abomination. That looks kind of cool. Something you might want to be interested in. Comes with a whole bunch of those as well. Getting it all done. October previews. This is Marvel and DC figure for Legion miniatures. If you're into Marvel and DC, this might be it as well. So we got Blob, Wasp, Banshee, I believe. No, this is Archangel. I forgot they're called. Vision, Electro. I think that's Miss Marvel. I think that's Iron Fist. Red Skull. Don't know her. Don't know him. I don't know all the characters for it. But yeah, here. Next one is GM3D. We will get that's from Piper last month for it. What's gonna be for? I don't know what the hell it's gonna be for this month. So we'll go next. Nom Nom figures. For this month we have Pyramid Head, Agbar, Bulma, Karlach, Owlbear, and Rocket. This is from last month, so you get the previous month and this month as well for it. Very good figures for these as well. If I can view the post. This is Pyramid Head. Hopefully, I wish I could make this thing bigger, but Ashley's gonna love Pyramid Head. I know that for a freaking fact. That's Ifrit. But yeah, Vincent looks pretty damn cool as well. Well, let me know if you guys like it. I think this will be it for part 3. Thank you guys very much. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our link down below. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.